Excellent.
Okay, let's keep this row moving. I want every potato spotless. Hold on, this one has too much dirt. Clean it properly. Good, that's clean. Load it onto the tractor. Next row, let's go. Let's get these potatoes secured before they spill. That side looks stable now. Perfect. All stacked and ready. Make sure to scrub every side for a complete clean. These potatoes are looking so fresh and clean now. Almost done, just a few more to go. Perfect, they're all clean and ready. Keep the flow steady. Remove all impurities manually. Faster on the discards, watch for debris. Good coordination, maintain speed and precision. Pressure at optimal level, ensuring uniform coverage. Levels confirmed, proceeding to next stage. Surface is clean, proceeding to manual check. This one has a deep cut, removing it. Confirm defect free. Next batch. Watch for eyes on this section. Check these for complete water removal. Look for pooling water. The grates are vibrating correctly. All potatoes are draining well. The water is draining perfectly. Keep the flow steady. Confirmed, this excess water potatoes are moving to next belt. Good. The system is optimized. No delays.
The manual alignment station ensures a uniform flow of potatoes to the automated peelers. The models maintain precise spacing to prevent clogs and optimize throughput. This preserves the integrity of each potato. Calibrating optical sensors for size and quality. Sensors analyzing size, non-conforming units detected. Calibration complete, sorting efficiency optimized. Speed parameter confirmed, increasing to 125 RPM. Efficiency optimized, pre-peeling cycle stable.
Increase belt speed to match input. Synchronize flow, adjust left panel. Steady now, maintain rhythm. Good pace, continue to cutters. Las cuchillas giran a alta velocidad, creando rodajas uniformes. Nuestras modelos supervisan el proceso, para agarrar es la precisión que hace famosas a las leyes. Check this one. Some peel left. Got it, cleaning now. Looks good, next one. Careful with the eyes. Clear here, moving on. All set for cutting. Check this one, skin residue. Got it, removing the defective piece. Next batch, inspect for green spots. Clear, all good here. Final check, speed up. Adjusting thickness for uniform slices. Confirm perimeters, looks good. Increasing speed slightly for efficiency. Perfect. Monitoring quality now. Check these for uniformity before they go to frying. This one looks too thick. Let's flag it. Good eye. The alarm confirms it. Okay, this batch is good. Keep it moving. Measurement is 1.25 millimeters. Uniform. Confirmed. Next sample. Increase the pressure to wash off the starch. Got it. Adjusting the nozzles now. Perfect. Keep it steady for the next batch. Reducing pressure now. Looks clean. The vibration is separating them well. Yes, but watch for clumps on the left. I'll spread them out. Perfect. That's much better. Adjusting left bank for even coverage. Right bank aligned, airflow optimal. Slices look great. Perfect texture. I agree. Color is ideal for frying. Yes, this batch is approved. Proceeding to the fryer. Adjusting the thermal valve to stabilize the oil temperature. Confirmed. Oil levels are stable. Maintaining flow rate for continuous production. Pressure is stable at 150 psi. Flow rate is optimal, confirming levels. System pressure confirmed optimal. Proceed. The temperature is dropping steadily. They look perfect. Yes, the fans are working efficiently. Let's ensure even cooling before packaging. Agreed. This batch will be ready soon. The slices are vibrating well to drain the oil. Yes, and the texture is perfectly crisp now. Perfect golden color. Let's remove the overcooked ones. This one is too dark. Taking it off. Good. Keep the line moving. Color is perfect. Maintaining standard. Keep the flow steady. No accumulations. Transfer to the next line is clear. Maintaining constant speed.
This batch has the perfect crunch. Approved.
The texture is irresistible. Temperature confirmed. Pressure is stable. Speed looks good. All parameters confirmed. Hopper station clear. Slices dispensing now. Conveyor moving. Flow is steady. Packaging station ready. Keep receiving product. All stations synced. Production is dynamic. These lays are so crunchy. I know, they're so good. The perfect snack out here. Totally, let's have some more. All right, let's check these bags. This one's underweight, removing it. Next one, feels good. Seal is tight on this one. Next bag, checking integrity. All clear, send it through. First bag, checking for any deformations. This one is clear, no breaks or issues. Sealing it for the pallet now. Fold the sides up firmly to lock the box. Got it. Now for the golden chips. Keep them neat. They look so fresh. Ready for the line? Looks perfect. Let's start stacking these cases. Okay, making sure it's stable. Good, now for the wrap. Pull it tight for stability. Labels are ready, let's get them on. This pallet is moving fast. Got the barcode aligned here. Perfect, on to the next one. Labels look great. Verifying pallet 101. Quantity matches scanned and logged. Next, pallet 102. Inputting now. Final check complete. Stock is accurate. This bag is crooked. Got it. I'll fix it. Perfect. Now it's secure. Looks good. Ready for transport. Careful with that pallet. Align it to the left wall. Got it. Pushing it in now. Perfect. Now secure it tightly against the back. All set. Ready for the next one. Okay, guide it in steady. Line up with the rails. Perfect. That's secure for transport. Temp is stable at -18. Chain of cold is holding. Copy that. Packaging is secure, no breaches. Good. Monitoring out now. This batch goes to the Northern Distribution Center. Confirmed, Southern pallets are ready. Central region next, keep the pace. On it, systems are optimal. Okay, let's get these pallets on the conveyor. Ready? Moving the next one. Careful, align it with the belt. Okay, let's get these boxes stacked neatly. Got it, moving this one now. Perfect, keep the rhythm going. Okay, let's secure this pallet. Ready? Pushing now. Good, it's stable now. Doors secured, let's move. Temperature is optimal, ready for departure. Final check complete, let's roll out. Chain holding steady? Yes, temperature is perfect. Good, keep monitoring. Will do. The cold chain is stable, temperature is perfect, humidity and airflow are optimal, no issues. Excellent, this ensures the product quality. Okay, let's keep these Lay's boxes perfectly chilled and organized. Right, the temperature must stay consistent for freshness. Exactly, order and temperature are key. Great work, these will be perfect. Okay, let's get these chips stocked. Right behind you. These boxes are heavy. Almost done. These barbecue ones are large, stack them here. Got it, moving the sour cream to the right. Vinegar ones are in the small pile now. Stock check on aisle 5, rice levels are low. Copy that, replenishing rice and beans now. Beans are refilled, levels optimal. Confirmed. Moving to next section. Checking this one. It's expired. Scanner confirms. Removing it. Shelf looks clear. Restocking now. These new bags are fresh. Okay, let's set up this promotion. This sign goes right here. Perfect. The customers will love it. Yes, all set. Looks great. Okay, tomatoes are at 24. We need more. On it, I'll grab the boxes. Great. And check pasta levels. Pasta is at 18. Perfect. All set.
Here are the chips.
Thank you. I'll place them.
Thanks, they look great.
Of course. Have a nice day. Shelf is ready for the next one.
Let's open these Lays for the first time. Listen to that fresh, crisp sound. Wow, look at the texture. So fresh. Perfect crunch. So good.
Papas Lay's para todos. ¿Quién quiere?
Yo, por favor. Gracias.
Claro, aquí tienen.
Se ven deliciosas.
Están súper crujientes.
Y qué ricas.
This is incredible! Let's go! So many chips!